Okay, so hello everyone. So today we're going to look at how to perform amazing keyword research for free, right? So these are the tools we'll be using for performing our task. So we'll be looking at Google Autosuggest. We'll be taking suggestions from Google itself. Then we'll be performing a little bit of research using the very own tool Ubet Suggest, and then also we'll be re-verifying it using Google Keyword Planner, and then finally we'll be taking out or noting down all those keywords using an Excel sheet or Google Sheets. So I personally prefer Google Sheets because my data is more of safe and secure. But again, it's your choice. You can either use Google Sheets or you can save them off in an Excel sheet in one of your drives, right? So let's go ahead and have a look at how to perform these tasks. Okay, so here we are at Google. So by Google Autosuggest, I means whenever you're typing something in Google, Google tries to automatically give you few suggestions, right? So that is what we meant, or that is what we call Google Autosuggest. So let me go ahead and try search something. I'll search for digital marketing, right? So I got so many autosuggests here: digital marketing course, jobs in Vizag, course in Vizag, digital marketing means, digital marketing jobs, digital marketing online course, digital marketing. Okay, so I'll go and click for digital marketing course, right? So what I'll do, I'll just take this keyword right now, and there here I'm in Ubet Suggest, right? So I'll put this to India, right? And I'll just copy paste the keyword here, digital marketing course, right? And I'll click on search. So yeah, I got few keywords here. It is asking me to sign in. Let me get back fast once. So here I am. I signed into Ubet Suggest using my Gmail ID, and I'm using it for free, right? So as you remember, I searched for digital marketing course in India. So I got these results. If I scroll down, I got keywords like digital marketing course in Delhi by Google, on Google, with Google, from Google, right? So click on view all keyword ideas. So these are the keywords I got. So what I'll do, I'll just click on these. Right, I will select all the keywords I want. Maybe I'm not going for Delhi. Maybe I'll click on these. I'll click on these. Maybe this one goes. No, I'm not looking for free. Yeah, fees of digital marketing course, fees for digital marketing course fees, right? What is digital marketing course? Digital marketing course syllabus, digital marketing course with certificate, duration of digital marketing course. Yep, you can go ahead and select all the relevant keywords you get here. There are a lot of keywords, as you can see. And so what I'll do, once I select these, I'll just click on copy to clipboard, and then I'm getting back to Google. So you can see this is my Google Ads, also previously known as Google AdWords, right? So what I'll do here, I'll just go to tools and settings, and I'll just go for Google Keyword Planner. All right. So I'll click on discover new keywords. I'll just go ahead and paste all the stuff. So it says that you pasted the limit of 10 keywords get ideas. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on get results. So we'll talk about filters later, but for now, go ahead and click on get results. So yeah, here you can see I'm getting the exact results like average monthly searches and all the stuff. I want to just right? So what I'll do, I'll just take all the important type of keywords. First I'll go for low. I'll go low competition keywords. Google marketing workshop, nope. Social media marketing courses, maybe. Right, so here I have already opened up my Excel sheet. Right, so I'll just paste it here. So I'll come back. The traffic is around 100. So I'm talking about beginner level, right? So you're just beginning up, and even getting a traffic of 100 per month is quite good enough for you. But if you're not at beginner level, you're at some intermediate level, I would definitely go ahead and ask you to choose keywords which have more than traffic of 1k, right? So these are the keywords you must be looking for, right? So yeah, let me get back here. So I have written out traffic, then I'll go for competition, obviously low competition. So I'll keep it as short tail keyword, right? So what I need to do right now, I need to go ahead and I'll tell you how to do this. I'll tell you how to perform competitor research, but for now just go ahead and search for, note down keywords. Eureka Digital Marketing Academy, Bangla Digital Marketing Fundamentals, maybe this. Again, traffic is 100. This one is low. Right, same. Alright, so let me get back. I'll just do for 3 or 5 keywords. You can replicate the same out there. Sorry, I'm in the wrong platform. Yep, digital marketing training 2019. Right, maybe this. $100 low short tail, right? Yep. So yeah, in this way you can go ahead and perform multiple. I'll even select few. So I got 1500 keywords right here. Right, let me go ahead and select e-marketing institute. Okay. So I got traffic up to 1000 per month. So you can even go ahead and divide this further, like uh, minimum traffic, max traffic, right? So minimum traffic here is 100, here it is 1000, right? Here 100, 100 here again. 100. So here minimum you have 10. If you remember earlier, that's what we did. Right, again this is short tail, right? So then we'll go for, let me go for some long tail keywords here. So again, I'll try to make a different video for understanding the difference between short tail and long tail, right? I want some high traffic competition, so I'll just go ahead and click like this. So yeah, digital marketing course itself got 10k to 100k, and it is high competition. Thousand to, what was that? Right. Hi. And this is a long tail keyword. Now coming to the competitor analysis. So how are we gonna perform competitor analysis? So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and copy this keyword. Right, I can even, right. So now I'll get back to Autosuggest. I'll just type in the keyword. Let's just give us a second. It's still loading. Right, so you can see that these are the websites which are ranking high on this particular keyword. Right, the best social media marketing courses, and these are the websites which are ranking high. Click on these best social media marketing courses 2018, then you'll get websites which are ranking high. So I'm going for this alone. So I'll just go ahead and copy this. I'll just paste it right here. Maybe I'll just increase the size. And then same for this. Wait a second. Google marketing fundamentals. Maybe this is not the keyword which you want to include. So I'll go for this one. I'll just go ahead and search. Again, I'll give it a second to load real quick. So you can see already that this is the website which is ranking here. Convertful.com, top 7 free digital marketing courses. This is ranking high or number 1 for the particular keyword, right? Let me show you in live. Let me just quickly save this off and show you in live. So this was the keyword, right? So you saw that convertible.com. Right? I'll just go to Google and I'll type digital marketing training 2019. Yep, you can see that convertful.com is ranking number 1, and that is what Autosuggest is giving us here, right? I'm using the same keyword which I used to search here, digital marketing training 2019, right? And I got convertful.com at the top, right? So this is it guys, this is how you perform great keyword research. And here this is your ultimate end tool where you decide which keyword you need to use inside your blogs, articles, videos, whatever it is, right? And then you also have a chance of researching on your competitor, having a look at what all the things is performing to rank high and other stuff, right? So there is one more way how you can perform competitor research using your competitor. For example, I have here websiteplanet.com, right? I'll again go to Autosuggest. I'll just enter the domain. So websiteplanet.com, right? So now this is gonna give me an overview of all the details. I mean, all the keywords it is ranking for. You can see that websiteplanet.com is ranking organically for 2,30,000 keywords, right? And it's getting an organic monthly traffic of 3,50,000, right? It has a great domain score and great backlinks, right? So this is the top pages by Website Planet. 10 best chat apps is the number 1 page in that website. Again, you got compressed PNG, right? You can also see all the pages which are winning traffic for this website, and you can also see keywords that are getting traffic or the website is ranking for, right? So this is another way when you already know your competitor and you can actually spy on him, like what are the keywords he's ranking for, how much traffic he's getting monthly, how much backlinks he got, right? This will help you give a clear idea on how much kind of effort you need to put in order to win over this competitor, right? And this, my guys, how you perform an detailed and amazing keyword research. Thank you, and stay subscribed to our channel for getting more info. Thanks again.